Hey, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something really fun. A beautiful swing cradle.
Yay!
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a long horizontal bar at the top. This will be the top part of our swing frame. Now, draw 2 tall vertical bars on both sides. These will hold up the swing. Great! From the top bar, let's draw 2 chains hanging down, one on each side. Now draw a wooden cradle hanging between the chains. It looks like a small wooden chair.
La da 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 dee.
Yay!
Awesome! Let's make it look more natural by drawing some grasses and flowers on the ground. Now add small branches and leaves coming out from the wooden bars. Finally, decorate the wooden frame with wood texture lines to make it look real. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete, and it looks amazing! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Yay! Show your color pens. Today we'll use rainbow colors. Let's say the color names together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Bottle green color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, that looks so beautiful. Fantastic work, little artists. You did such a great job drawing and coloring this swing cradle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time at Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy
Don't
drawings.
forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.